In our workshop, we have sections for welding, machining, and blanking, among others. The machining area, in particular, is prone to oil stains. Once these stains solidify, they can easily cause hazards such as slipping and corrosion. Cleaning a workshop of over 2,000 square meters manually takes several hours. The repetitive labor not only consumes time but also delivers less than ideal results. The AGIBOT C5 intelligent cleaning robot, however, can automatically identify oil-stained areas and plan its own route. In a single pass, it not only vacuums thoroughly but also scrubs deeply. Now, we not only save on labor costs but also enjoy safer floors and a significantly improved workshop environment. It's safe to say that the AGIBOT C5 has helped us completely bid farewell to oil stain troubles. This is the power of technology, and it's the power we need. Stubborn dirt, silent clean. Empowering industrial cleaning with greater strength, silent clean.